Out of all the existing strategies there is for day trading and the ones that are actually going to make you profitable, there's only about a handful that are good enough for even someone who's brand new to start making money profitably and consistently. I'm going to show you one of those today, and I'm not going to hold anything back. First thing you want to do is go to the 1 hour chart. I'm currently looking at USD/JPY on my live account. So USD/JPY, first thing I want to do is define support and resistance, or supply and demand, on the larger time frame. So I'm on the 1 hour, and I here have found a very large resistance zone, and we're also finding support down here. I don't usually use chart patterns. I literally just look for liquidity, institutional trade zones, and then my scalp strategy, or my 5-minute breakout scalp strategy. And I'm going to show you the 5-minute one. By starting on the 1 hour, you will define this zone, right? Support and resistance. This is super fucking easy. Here's resistance, here's support. There's the lowest point of support recently, but we're not trading historically, right? We want to make trades right now, which here is the now time. But this, I'm just going to show you this zone right here based on the first piece of information. The first piece of information is find support and resistance. Your two most recent major zones of support and resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Here they are. Boing, 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 boing. Got it, right? Here's resistance, here's support. Next thing you're going to do is wait for price structure to be broken on this 1 hour time frame, right? You also want to make sure you're not moving. You also want to make sure you're moving away from that price break and away from the most recent support or resistance zone. So in this scenario where we hit resistance, if we wanted to start trading after this price broke, see it broke right here, it broke down, we would want to sell from this point, right? When it is selling and then it breaks structure and starts buying like it did right here, it broke price structure right here, boom, here's the previous smaller support on this 1 hour time frame. You want to wait for price structure to be broken within these zones. So you have your major support, you have your resistance, major support. You have price action breaking this point right here. Once you see that on the 1 hour chart, this is when you're going to be able to start doing your entries, okay? That's the only bit of information you need to be able to then jump down to the 5-minute and start entering. Let me show you. Just jump down to the 5-minute, and here's those 2 points where price structure broke. Price structure broke right here for the first time. We are now going to be waiting for 5-minute pullbacks on the 5-minute chart. We now know we're buying, right? So as we're buying, we're going to wait for a pullback on the 5-minute. So here's the first price break. Here's the first pullback. I will draw a trend line right along this pullback, and I will literally set my stop loss down here. Even with a small move like this, you can do a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So stop loss here, I enter here, my take profit here. Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. But when you start reaching that old price support or resistance zone, stop trading until it's significantly moving away from either zones. That's all you need.